Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is a gravity lounger chair. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Best Choice. So you can see right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, you can see how the product is honestly wrapped up inside. But let's take it out first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you can see inside right here they do provide guys two of them, because when you guys do purchase this one, they do give you guys a set of two of them. I believe for this brand, they actually have this available in one piece as well. So whether if you guys want one or two, you definitely want to do your own research to see how many you guys need. And for the color that we do have right here is like a green color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research for that to see which ones you want. But first, I'm actually open this up to show you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So right here, you can see they do provide guys two trays, one for each one. But you see on the tray right here, they do give you guys a slot for you guys to put your drinks here, maybe some other remote or your phone on here if you guys want to. And basically want to clip this side onto the chair. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So I'm actually open up the chair and I will set this up to show you guys how to use it. So let's take out the bag first. Once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the way how I set it up is actually very easy and very simple. All you need to do is just open up. So this part right here is the bottom. And basically want to just push it down all the way. And then once you guys fully set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So I'm actually opening this one as well to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do set up both of them. Alright, so once you guys finish setting up both of them, here is basically what it actually looks like. So I definitely love the way how they do have like the non-slip material on the bottom. So that way when you guys do set it up, it won't move around. But now let's put on a tray to show you guys what it actually looks like. So pretty much for the tray, you guys want to go like this. Put it onto the side. And then you guys basically have a tray option right here on the side. Same thing for the other one. You basically have the option set it right here or on this side. But I'll put it here for now, so that way you can see it in the video. And when you guys put this on, it is pretty stable for you to put your drinks on here. And when you guys look at the side right here, and also the other side as well, they do have this knob for you guys to tighten up or loosen it up. And that basically allows you guys to loosen or tighten up this part right here. Because when you guys do move right now, you can see how you do have the option to raise it up and raise it down. But once you guys tighten it up, if you guys try to move it, it won't move anymore. So that will actually give you guys an option to keep it in that position if you guys don't want to rock back and forth. But when you guys do feel the material or the fabric that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It's like a high quality mesh material that's breathable. So that way if you guys do use it outdoor, if you guys sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. And you guys can see on the top part right here, they do give you guys a pillow as well. So that way when you guys do lay it down, it'll feel pretty comfortable. But here is basically what the product looks like from the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and here is the other side. But now I'm gonna sit down on here to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it and describe you guys how it feels. So since both of them are the same, I'll just test out one of them. Alright, so once you guys sit down, here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. So here is basically one position for you guys to use it. If you guys want to lean back, you definitely have the option to lean back like this if you guys do want to. And when you guys do set like this, if you guys turn the knob on the side, now you can basically keep it in this position and you don't have to hold it back. And when you guys do lay back on here, it actually feels pretty nice. You definitely get that comfort on here when you guys do lay back, especially because of that mesh material that's on here. But once you guys are done using this position, you do have the option to bring it back up. So if you guys loosen it up, if you guys bring it back up, it comes back up so easily, if you can see. And then once you guys are done using the product, you do have the option to fold it back up, just like what I showed you guys earlier. So now let me fold up back one of them to show you guys how to put it away. So first thing I do is take this part out. And next thing I'm going to do is bring this part back in. So just like that, and it's basically all set. So you can see it's actually very easy for it to set up and very easy for it to put away as well. And when you guys do carry it, it's not that heavy, but definitely has a little bit of weight to it. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, in your patio, or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to use it or however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. So now that you're unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this chair, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality gravity lounger chair that you can use on your patio or something, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.